Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be replacing the brake lamp bulbs on an E88. This is what the bulb should look like, and this is the BMW part number. So when you open the trunk, you're going to have this panel right here. You're going to be able to just pop this off by hand. Then you're going to find two brake lamp holders. This big one on the right side here, circled, and then the little one off to the left here. This is the one you're going to want to remove. So to remove this holder, you're going to want to grab it and turn it counterclockwise to release the locking tabs, just like this. There's going to be two tabs you're going to want to take a look at. This top tab right here, and then the bottom tab at the bottom, which is a little smaller, which is this one right here. When you position this back inside, you're going to want to make sure the big tab is facing up and the little tab is facing down. Here's just a closer view of the way the tabs look without the arrows. So you got the big one on top and the little one at the bottom. So to remove the bulb, you're going to want to push in on it and turn it to the left, and that should release it from the locking tabs. And then to put the new bulb in, there's going to be little side notches. Just match up the holes, push in, and turn to the right, and it'll lock in place. When you insert the bulb into the holder, you're going to want to look at the outside as you're turning with one hand, just like this, so you can better see if your tabs are going in the right position. Once you got the lock tabs turned in correctly, you can just go ahead and put your covers back on, and that'll be it. To replace the other side, it's going to be the exact same procedure, so I'm only going to show you just this one side. But once you got your covers back on, just go ahead, test it out, have a second person take a look with you, and everything should be good to go.